Thank you, Russia UN, for your letter dated March 16th. Please see our suggested edits below. Oh, man. What do we have? We have a tweet here. And it's from the government of Canada?
Oh, yeah.
Canada Mission UN, Canada at Canada UN. So they got a letter from Russia, and they have marked it up extensively with red-colored text.
This looks like my English test.
Holy cow, there's a lot of edits on there. Excellency, I am reaching out to you with regard to an urgent matter related to the dire humanitarian situation in and around Ukraine. Like other members of the international community, we are gravely concerned about its deterioration. We firmly believe that it is the duty of the international community, despite our geopolitical differences, to make every effort possible to minimize humanitarian consequences for civilian population in Ukraine. The only way to do this is a clear demand on behalf of the UN Security Council to all parties concerned to strictly observe international humanitarian law, guided by the logic of the Russian Federation has proposed in the Security Council, an action-oriented, depoliticized, balanced draft resolution which makes equal demands to all parties concerned. Whoa.
Yeah, there's a lot of corrections here.
So basically, Russia writes a letter being like, hey, we, be on our side here. And then the parties working on the Canadian side mark it up and say, and then have all types of disputes with the claims being made.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Vasily Nebenzia. Yeah, I mean, I they probably could have predicted the response to such things, right?
But to actually just change all of these, like,
well,
sentences.
do they send it back? Like, what do? Do they just put this on social media, or do they send it back like this? I think they send it back.
Yeah.
Can you click on that first one again, please? The first frame there. Permanent representative of the Russian Federation to the United Nations. So everybody in the UN got this letter, I suppose, and then I see it was marked up. Well, yeah, I mean, they disagree. But yeah, it definitely looks like your, what'd you say, it was your English paper?
Yeah.
Look like this?
It's my English test.
Did you ever have that, Mo?
Yeah, I'm dyslexic, so this is a pretty regular basis.
That's a regular basis.
It's a lot of red.
It's a regular basis for Mo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, somebody in the chat just said, have you seen the flying Tesla video?
Yeah, we're going to go. Did you guys?
Yeah, I saw it, yeah. Okay. I mean, I don't know how much maybe you know more about it than I do, but I definitely saw the clip.